everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make Popeyes Delta sauce. Cue the music. Hey, thanks a lot for joining me today. If this is your first time watching us, please do me a favor. Go down to the corner, hit that little button that says subscribe, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Popeyes Delta sauce. Let's head over here and see what our ingredients are. We're going to start out with a half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Here I am using olive oil. A 1/4 cup of chili sauce, a 1/4 cup of ketchup, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of prepared mustard. I've got 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire, about 2 or 3 drops of hot sauce. I'm just going to be using plain old Tabasco. And then, as you see at the bottom there of that picture, we have 1 small clove of garlic, which we are going to mince up and add to this sauce. Let's head over to our prep table and start making this sauce up. Alright, as always, get a bowl that is big enough to hold all of your ingredients and big enough to stir everything in without it getting overflowing. And then we're just going to start adding our ingredients. Down the list, got about a half a cup of mayonnaise. I got about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, about a 1/4 cup of the oil, 1/4 cup of the chili sauce, 1/4 cup of the ketchup, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of the black pepper, half a teaspoon of the onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of the dry mustard. Got 1 teaspoon of the Worcestershire, 2 to 3 drops of the hot sauce, and 1 crushed and minced clove of garlic. I'm just going to mix this up really well. Okay, here's our sauce. Looks great. The consistency is very thick. It smells fantastic. You can see all the different herbs and seasonings in there. What we're going to do now is I'm going to put it in a different dish. We're going to take some awesome photos of it for social media. We're going to put those photos in the timeline of this video with some really groovy music. And then we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. So enjoy the music, enjoy those pictures. There is a shot of that sauce again. Now I'm going to get a little cracker in here and get a taste. It's just thick and rich. And you can see all the different seasonings in there, the paprika, the pepper, the onion. Now the very first thing, and no kidding, the very first thing I thought of when it hit my tongue and I started tasting it was zesty. I kid you not, zesty. The mayonnaise, the lemon juice, the paprika, that chili sauce in there, really just got a zing to it. It's not hot, it's got flavor, it is zesty, very rich, very good flavor, very thick, so it stays on whatever you're dipping in there. Color's nice. You can see all the different granules of the seasonings in there, the paprika, the pepper, the onion, and maybe the mustard, I'm not sure. But very good sauce. Popeyes zesty sauce, copycat recipe. Go ahead, give this a try at home. You will like it. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure you leave a comment below, like this video, and then share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourselves. We will see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.